Well, let's conclude the MySQL so that we can move ahead with SQL queries. So, what we have seen in this chapter, first we have started with the introduction. We have seen the features and why MySQL. Then we have seen in detail steps for the installation. How do you install and what things you will remember at the time of installation. Then we have seen how do you interact with the MySQL. Interaction by means of the prompt and by means of one extension. We would be firing the queries either in the prompt or in the VS Code extension. Also we have seen there are some dedicated user-friendly softwares that will allow you to communicate with the MySQL. And those softwares we will call it as GUI clients like MySQL Workbench or PHP Every client has its own set of features and its own set of use cases, right? As I said you, in this course we would be focusing more on the prompt, MySQL shell and VS Code extension. Why? Because those are emphasizing on the queries and we need to understand SQL queries in detail. We need to become a more proficient in writing the queries. That's why we will go with the prompt based queries, and you can say the extension. We would be using what? Extension. That's all about this MySQL chapter. Thank you for watching these videos and thank you for supporting me. If you have subscribed, well and good. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel so that I will come with many more videos like this. Thank you. See you in the next chapter.